Is apple cider vinegar detrimental or ruining your teeth enamel? Don't go anywhere. Stay here. I will show you the alternative to apple cider vinegar that will help to facilitate because weight loss. So let's jump right into the video. Hello, welcome back again. How y'all doing? Are we all excited? Yes, it looks like summer come back to my city again, so we are celebrating. Thank you guys. Please do me a favor and click on the subscribe button, and also please again don't forget to click on the notification bell so you will know when I upload the video. Let us talk about aloe vera tea. Very seldom do we talk about aloe vera tea. We talk about aloe vera for the skin, for wrinkle, for sunburn, for oil application, like topical application, but we don't always talk about ingesting the aloe vera. Aloe vera is loaded with a lot of vitamins A, B, C, including the vitamin B12 and B6, which will help to facilitate fat burn. We always forget about that. So today I'm gonna make you a whooping aloe vera tea to help to increase your metabolic rate and to help you lose that weight. Aloe vera is antiseptic, it's antifungal, it contains magnesium, it contains copper, it contains selenium, it contains 20 amino acids that we need to start ingesting aloe vera. So let me tell you quickly how you can make a detox tea with aloe vera gel. First thing we need is a little bit of aloe vera, about 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. So you take out the skin of the aloe vera and you want to toss it into the blender. And I'm going to add a little bit of water to blend it together. After blending the aloe vera, you want to add it to about 1 cup of water. The next thing we need is cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is known for weight loss. It will help to facilitate your metabolic rate and help you sweat and increase weight loss. So depends on the taste. So I recommend half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Put it in here. Cinnamon is powerful. It's known to balance your insulin and your blood sugar, giving you more energy and facilitating fat burn. So I need also half teaspoon of ground cinnamon. The next one is honey. I will be adding so 1 teaspoon of raw honey. And we need fresh lemon. We'll be adding 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon. This is 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon. By the way, the water should be a lukewarm temperature, not hot water, not too hot, because of the cayenne pepper. If you make it too hot, it's really going to be very spicy because of the cayenne pepper. So use lukewarm water, not cold water either. So you want to spin it around. So I have the aloe vera cinnamon cayenne pepper tea to facilitate weight loss. Awesome substitute for apple cider vinegar. You can never go wrong with cinnamon. It helps to facilitate fat burn and encourages weight loss. So please don't forget to click on the red subscribe button. And then if you click on the red subscribe button and if you're not clicking on the notification bell, how is that going to benefit you or me? The key to clicking on the red button is for you to follow along and build this community, and also to know when I upload the video so you can give me a shout out. Hey, why not? I'm here every day giving you shout outs. You can always give me shout outs. And don't forget to leave a comment as well. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for subscribing.